Yo, what up, squad? All right, so we need to settle a debate here real quick, man. Two of the most hyped up steam floor cleaners, man, that's on the market right now is going head to head in this video. Now, in this corner right here, man, we got the Roborock F25 Ultra. That's around $799 MSRP. And in this corner right here, y'all, we got the Tineco S9 Artist Steam at around $949 MSRP. Now, both of these machines here, man, can clean your floors with steam. Both are cordless, both are self-cleaner, but they are not the same, all right? And by the end of this video here, man, you will know exactly which one belongs in your house. So let's get to it. Now, round one here, man, you know we got to talk about it, and that is, to me, the standout feature, and that is the steam, man, because this is where I feel like things just get real and they get real interesting real fast, all right? Probably one of my favorite features. So when it comes to the Roborock F25 Ultra, y'all, it can heat water all the way up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is hot, man, turning things into pure steam. Now, that steam, y'all, can blast away grease, dry food, sticky messes like you guys are seeing right here, stuff that your regular mop will typically just push around your house. And if you don't need that full steam, man, you can also drop it down to what's called hot water mode, where it's gonna set it at 187 degrees Fahrenheit for just that everyday deep cleaning, which is actually really dope. Now, you're getting two high temp modes in one single device, and that's making sure, y'all, that everything is getting not only clean, but also sterile. Now, when it comes to the Tineco S9 Artist Steam, y'all, it's running their Hyper Steam system at around 320 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping that steam above the 210 degrees Fahrenheit during that use. That is a solid steam performance, y'all. And in the third-party lab testing, Tineco actually did a really good job when it comes to stain removal, scoring top of the charts. Now, round two, y'all, we know we got to talk about it, and that is the overall suction power and picking up hair. Because listen, a steam mop that can't pick up debris is just a fancy wet mop, right? Now, the Roborock F25 Ultra, y'all, is packing a 22,000 PA of suction power. That is a lot of pull, y'all, when it comes to pet hair, cereal, litter, sand, salt, and just other things that just somehow finds its way to your floors. And nobody knows how it got there. And I'm telling you, bro, it's eating up all of that in a single pass. And it also has that jaw scraper roller, right? This is what's actually gonna give you guys 0% tangle rate when it comes to picking up hair. Long hair, pet hair, it doesn't matter, man. Nothing wraps around this roller, which as a dog owner like myself, I'm telling you, bro, that is a huge plus for me when it comes to the Roborock F25 Ultra. Now, with the Tineco S9 Artist Steam, it has what's called dual block anti-tangle design with dual scrapers. It works well too, to be honest with you, man. And in real world testing, it handles hair just fine. And it also claims zero hair tangle as well, which it honestly, I feel like it did a pretty good job with it as well. When it comes to the suction power, it also has a 22,000 PA suction powers, just as the Roborock F25. So I have to give this round honestly to the Roborock F25 Ultra during my testing, because I did feel like it handled picking up hair slightly better. I mean, slightly better, all right? Now, round three, y'all, was an easy win for me, man, when it came to the self-cleaning, because a floor cleaner that leaves its own roller dirty is just spreading bacteria around your house, and nobody wants that, all right? Now, the Tineco S9 Artist Steam uses flash dry self-cleaning, where it flushes the brush with clean water and solution. Then it uses heated water to dissolve residue, and it just blows hot air through the roller to fully dry it out before bacteria can grow. It's a solid system. You still need to go ahead and empty and rinse the dirty water tank yourself, but just overall maintenance, I felt like it was simple. Now, the Roborock F25 Ultra, it literally does the same thing, but then it goes one step further with that. It uses steam and high temperature water to deep clean the roller. Then it hits it with 203 degrees of Fahrenheit hot air to be able to dry it. And when it comes to the results, y'all, a certified 99.99% bacterial removal rate. Roborock, man, has the paperwork, y'all, to even back that up when it comes to the hygiene claims. For pet owners out there, or my family with kids crawling around on the floors, that certification matters a lot, man. 100%, no question, when it comes to sterilization, the Roborock F25 Ultra wins this one, hands down for me. Now, round four, man, let's go ahead and talk the edges as well as the reach, because if your floor cleaner can't get into those corners as well as under furniture, you're honestly just leaving the dirtiest spots untouched. Now, the Tineco S9 Artist Steam has triple-sided edge cleaning. It cleans along both sides and the front of the cleaning head, which at first I found impressive, which gave it an edge to me because I thought it was actually great at getting into those corners as well as tight wall areas. But when it came to the Roborock F25 Ultra, man, it fired back with edge-to-edge cleaning that gets within less than 0.03 inches from the wall. That's practically touching it at that point. And a flat reach 2.0 that lays the machine completely flat at 180 degrees to be able to slide under sofas, beds, low furniture like you guys are seeing right here that my TV is sitting on with ease, man. Now I do want to mention that the Tineco also lays flat and reaches under furniture as well. I do want to make sure I mention that here. To me, both machines handle this with ease, but where I felt like the Tineco wins outright is that triple-sided edge cleaning system. That's a real differentiator, man, for getting into those corners if you ask me. Now, round 5, man, we got to talk about the smart features and how easy are these things to actually use on a day-to-day basis. Now, the Tineco S9 Artist Steam brings Tineco's iLoop smart sensor where it reads dirt as well as moisture levels in real time and automatically will adjust the suction as well as the roller speed all on the fly. And it shows you all this on the color LCD screen with battery life, with the cleaning mode, as well as your sensor status displayed live right there for you. And it also has a self-propelled movement, so this way the machine basically moves itself. And if you guys got a big house for a long period of time, that self-propel, man, is genuinely clutch. Now, when it comes to the battery life, this I felt like was solid too, with me getting somewhere around 75 minutes on a single charge, which is more than double the average for these types of machines. But when it came to the Roborock F25 Ultra, it has what's called dirt detection, which is a smart sensor that monitors dirt levels and adjusts the cleaning intensity automatically. It also rocks Slide Tech 2.0 adaptive wheels that will self-adjust to make pushing as well as pulling easy across all surfaces that you guys are using this with. This was something that I actually really liked, that I felt like it just made cleaning just a whole lot smoother in my opinion. Plus, it has blue light illumination that shows you exactly where all of the dust as well as the debris actually are, in which I can't lie, man, was actually satisfying. Both machines are smart in my opinion, both auto adjust, but Tineco's LCD screen was nice, but I did like the Slide Tech 2.0 with that adaptive wheel that just made cleaning just way easier, especially if you have a larger space. It's hard to give an edge here, so I have to say that, you know, they both win when it came to the smart features in this category. All right, so my final scorecard, all right, which one is going to be the right one for you? I got to personally go with the Roborock because of the steam temperature, man, the hygiene certification, and the biggest one is that it offers 2 high temperature cleaning modes, being the steam as well as the hot water mode, making it the industry's first wet and dry vacuum cleaner of its kind that features 2 powerful high temperature cleaning modes, being the steam and again, that hot water. The Tineco S9 Artist Steam does not offer both steam cleaning and hot water mode. Tineco wins when it comes to edge cleaning as well as the smart usability as well as that LCD and the long battery life. It's genuinely close, man, when it comes to those, but here's the thing. The Roborock F25 Ultra does all of the same things for $799 MSRP, and then the Tineco S9 Artist Steam is $949 MSRP. That's a $150 difference for a machine that Roborock actually outspecs on most of the cleaning categories. So if I had to choose, and you know, you're a tech forward buyer like myself, that's a $150 difference for a machine that Roborock actually outspecs on most of the important cleaning categories. So if I had to choose and you're a tech forward buyer like myself who wants the deeper clean, you want the hotter steam and the better pet hair performance, then to me, man, the Roborock F25 Ultra is your move. If ease of use, self-propel, and long battery life are your priorities and you don't mind paying more, then, you know, Tineco is obviously a legit choice for you. I will have both links to these products here, man, down in the description section below. So definitely make sure you guys go check out those Prime Day deals because these prices, I'm telling you, bro, they about to move, all right? So thanks to Roborock, man, also for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Squad, we out.